In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mirror your iPhone screen to your Samsung television. Now, before we start, we need to make sure that both your television and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are connected to a VPN on your iPhone, then you'll need to go ahead and disconnect that now. So once we're connected to the same network on both your iPhone and your television, we're just going to grab our television remote and you need to pull up the settings window. Now to do this, we're just going to press the home button on your remote like so. This will bring up the Samsung home screen, and then if we scroll all the way to the left, you'll have this option for settings. Press OK. Sometimes you can get to this menu directly just by pressing the settings button on your remote. As you can see on mine, it's this little small button down here. So once we're inside of the settings, we just need to scroll all the way down to the general tab, use the right arrow key to come across, and then once again scroll down and select Apple AirPlay settings. Click on OK on your remote and then give this a couple of seconds to load, and this is going to pull up the AirPlay settings. Now first things first, you need to make sure AirPlay is turned on your TV, so it should just say on next to it. Then there's a couple of settings that we can change in here, like require code. So you can either set this so every time you connect to your television it requires the code, or you can just keep this for first time only, and then that way once you're connected you won't need to keep re-entering this. So if I come back to the previous window, the next thing we need to do is head over to your mobile device, and from here we're just going to use our finger to drag down on the home screen, and that's going to bring up this setting menu here. Then we just need to tap the screen mirroring icon, which is this one here. Once we select this, it's going to bring up all the televisions that it can currently detect. So this particular TV is this Samsung 7 series here, so I'm just going to go ahead and press that. Then it's going to ask for a 4-digit code. Now if you come back over to your television, you'll see this 4-digit code here. So I'm now just going to type that into my phone and press OK. And as you can see, we're now successfully mirroring my iPhone. Now you can also change the orientation of the picture just by rotating your iPhone. So if I head over to a photo, for example, and then rotate my iPhone, you can see it also mirrors this on the television. And to finally stop screen recording, all we need to do is scroll our finger back down to the bottom here, come over to the screen mirroring icon, and we can just press stop mirroring. Alternatively, you can just head over to your television remote and you can press the home button, and this will also cancel the screen mirroring. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you mirror your iPhone to your Samsung television. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.